Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my
God specializing. God specializing. God specializing. That's my song my grandma used to sing every Sunday. That was the song she used to sing. It's called God Specializing. I don't know, maybe she can sing better than me, but I can't sing. But that's how the song goes. God specializing. God specializing. God specializing. But don't judge me about my singing, but that's how she used to sing her song. Better than me. She can sing, but I can't sing. First damn motherfucking cuts. Don't get me to start lying, y'all. Don't get me to start lying. But anyway, it's not about the singing. But God bless y'all. Happy Sunday. 9/11. We all gotta bow our heads to that, man. We lost a lot of people, man. That shit is on that's on God. You feel what I'm saying? That's a downer, man. You know, we gotta give a round of applause for the first callers, first responses. Let's go. They should get more, but I can't really keep going. But yo, yeah, you know, it's moments silent for the people that we lost for the World Trade Center. People done lost families, friends, children was in that building. There was so much people in that building that passed away. It was really sick and ill. You know what I'm saying? Moment silence, please. Moment silence. Yeah, there you go. But we're gonna pray and we're gonna get into it. We're gonna pray over this food, because God said to use our stools. We're gonna thank you, God, for making us strong. Amen. 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 But yo, look what we got here, God. Look what we got here. We got this good old shrimps. We got some good old crawfish. You already know I ain't playing. Ooh, we got some good old oxtails in there. There's a whole bunch of shit in there, man. It's the seafood boy. And also got the fave right here. Beloved sauce. Yes, we do. Leftover beloved sauce. Yes, get into it. And also, you know I can't forget the good old spice. I need this. You know I need this hot sauce right here. Thumbnail, baby. Woo! Thumbnail, there go. But we're gonna get into it, man. We're gonna talk, chop it up, and eat, baby. Let's go. I'm grabbing this little shrimp. I'm gonna rip this nigga head off his shoulders. Yes, I told you I'm ripping your head off. So I ain't even have to tell you. You know I'm ripping your head off and ripping you apart. I like how the sweetness has hit the shrimp so fast, yo. I swear to God, sugar adapt to certain things. Sugar's not for every type of food, no cap. But this sauce is good with shrimps, no cap. And snow crabs. Can I get a bag, please, or something? A bag? You staring? Can I get a bag? Hello. What in my face? You don't eat shrimps. You know you're allergic. You want some? Can't have it. I'm gonna start eating food that you don't like. Cool? Who use a bag like that? I'm not using a Target bag. Give me a regular bag.
First of all, we don't have a regular bag.
Alright, so just give me that then. Just give me that. Can you at least place it right? Come on. You're acting weird, bro.
You gonna put it on the floor?
Sorry about that, guys. I can handle my business like I shoot. Ooh, let's get to this kiddo. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, shit. Are you sure that shit came out? I nice and red.
You want just something to drink?
I'm a soldier, damn it. I can handle it. Just put too much out of damn time. God damn. It's a joke. Yeah, crawfish is over. Ain't got no damn meat. Crawfish is over, guys. It's blue crab season time. Might suck the half. No homo. But yo, no cap, like I said before. If y'all go back to the other video, when that World Trade Center, when it collapsed down, I was about 17, 18. I was in school at that time. At that time, I had a fight too in class with a blood nigga. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna tell you the story. I had a fight with a blood nigga, Spanish nigga. I think he was Spanish. I forgot his name. At that time, I was finally going to school. I wasn't cutting class. I wasn't being no class clown. You feel what I'm saying? So, being that I ain't cutting no school, I ain't cutting no class. I was being a class clown. You get what I'm saying? Inside, I was doing spitballs. I used to go to the store literally just to get straws. Picture this. I used to go to the store literally to get straws, yo. To do spitball challenges in the classroom, just to spit at teachers and students, right? For some reason that day, when I did it, I went to the store, went to go get some straws or whatever. You know, that day, I did not know World Trade Center was getting ready to collapse down. Hell no, I did not. That shit was crazy. So that day I went to the store to get some straws. Boom. You know, picture me, I'm seeing my students, I'm seeing my people. What's up? You know what I'm saying? You know I'm a funny nigga. So that day, I got the straws, we in the class, we chilling. My silly ass wanted to do spitballs at the wrong time, on the day the World Trade Center happened. Right? Mind you, I ain't thought about to, you know, sometimes you gotta know when to start. I started around lunchtime. No cap. I remember the day. I started around 11:45, 10:45. I started spitting. I started doing my dumb shit, spitting. You know what I'm saying? That dumb boom. Niggas asking me, like, man, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why you doing that? Let me get one. I was passing off straws. Passing like three of my best friends. Us three, we full control of the classroom. Spitting. The teacher writing Miss Hard. I ain't gonna front. Her name was Miss Hard. Fat ass. She had a fat ass. I stood it out. It's cakey. That's why I ain't learning shit anyway. Boom. I'm spitting. But now I said, you know what? I'm gonna start spitting at the teacher. Me. Nobody saying nothing. Everybody's just looking. Everybody's shaking their head, looking at me like I'm in the wrong. Nigga, I'm right at that time. I'm right. I'm doing what I want to do. Freedom! Freedom! So boom. I'm spitting spitballs hard. Students, I'm doing combinations on bitches. Sorry, bro, I got this shit. Out. It's meat, but it's money. Oh, you probably delete my vlog. Shit. You probably delete because I did a video. You probably delete my video. My vlog I did outside. Ah, damn. I did a vlog. You probably deleted it. But anyway, I gotta go out. Yeah, you did. I probably gotta check. But yeah, yo. So boom, I'm doing spitball. I'm doing combination. Excuse me.
Yeah, I probably did.
Yeah, I'm doing Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm doing combination spitting. Boom, hitting the bottom, missing, hitting the bottom, hitting the bottom. I'm going underneath the underarm.
You what?
I'm going underneath the underarm.
Doing spitballs at who?
My teacher.
Oh.
I'm doing underneath the underarm shit. Hitting them. I'm going from the back. Yo, blow, nigga, hit that blow. He blowing, boom. For some reason, she knew what the hell was going on. That's why she ain't saying nothing. That's why she ain't turning around.
Teachers always know what the hell's going on.
She knew. The teachers, they say, oh, I got 4 eyes. I know what goes on. I know who sniffles. I know who can't read. I know who can't write. I know who don't participate in classrooms. They know everything. Boom. So I used to be like, all right. And she used to say, Anthony, you sit in the front. I got to sit in the front. She knew I was the one that was doing spitballs. I'm inspired you. I'm sitting in the fucking front. I'm not sitting in no back. I'm sitting in the front doing spitballs. I'm wondering why this bitch ain't turning around. Now I'm doing that nigga cowboy shit. 4 range. Hit boom. The last one hit her. Bang! Turned around. Fucking slammed the chalk down. You know the chalkboard? This bitch slammed the chalk down hard. That's it. Everybody got to stay in the classroom for lunchtime. Why she say that? Everybody looked at me like. I'm like, what? I'm like, what? I wasn't doing that. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. The niggas, mind you, the ones I gave the straws to, they looking at me like, shaking their head. I'm like, what? I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. So don't look at me and shake your head. I don't know what you talking about. You doing shit like that. And then she said, you know what she said? She had to know, this is crazy. She said, yo, Anthony, you know I knew that you was doing that, right? I said, doing what, Miss Hodge? You know, doing what, Miss Hodge? She said, things behind my back. I don't know Pacific what you doing, but I said see things flying and you doing things.
They talk like that. I don't know the specific things that you be doing.
Yeah, I don't know the specific things you doing behind my back, but I know you doing something behind my back because I hear sniffles and laughing and things that's not getting done. I said, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing. She said, you know what? Since that you want to be a class clown, you have to stay mainly in the classroom. Now that's more. I said. Ah, man, I said, Miss Hodge, I'm not doing anything. She said, no, you are. You're being a joke behind my classroom. You're doing things that you need to be doing. You're not doing your work. I said, Miss Hodge, I said, this is me personally. I'm young. I was like, well, 15, I was about like 16, 17. You know, I was speaking ghetto. I said, Miss Hodge, I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing nothing. I'm out. I used to walk out to class. She said, no, you're not going either. Mind you, the lady already slammed the chalk. She ran to the classroom door and locked it. Sat literally right in front of the door and hold us down for lunchtime until the deans came in. So, knocked on the door. No, it's lunchtime. They not coming out. They want to be bad in my classroom. This is her speaking, Miss Hodge. I said, Miss Hodge, you can't.
That's how it used to be like that.
Then I said, Miss Hodge, you can't, you know me, I'm a class clown. You cannot hold us against our will. We starving here. She said, I bet you I will. Y'all be bad. I said, Miss Hodge, you can't do this. I'm going to speak to the principal. I told her straight like that. I want to speak to your principal. She said, go ahead and speak to him, darling. Go ahead and speak to him. You want to be bad in my class? I said, I will. I'm damn sure will. But Miss Hodge, can you please let me out because I'm hungry? You know? Boom, now. You know. We really staying in there, y'all. Really, we in there, literally in there. Literally, I'm like, oh man, Miss Hodge, I'm sorry, okay, I won't do it again. She said, no, I'm tired. She said, no. You, Anthony, you the main one that had this classroom corrupted. But soon you get in here, they look for you to come to be bad. They see you coming. I said, that's not me, Miss Hodge. I'm a normal kid. I'm not bad. She said, you're not bad, so why you have a parrot? Why you have a person that come get you and a counselor come get you to talk to? I just have a counselor. You know how bad he was? They told
Oh
me.
yeah.
So I said I have a counselor. I have a counselor because they think I'm screwed up in that.
Why she put your business out there like that?
Yeah.
Out in the class.
She's bad like that. She used to hate me. That was so bad, Sam. It was crazy. But and then, okay, remind you, it's Pat, your son. Lunchtime, you go to lunch at 12. 12 to like 12:30, 12:45. You gotta be back in the classroom literally before 1 o'clock. If you don't be back in, the door will be locked and you will get a memo or a ticket, something like that for being late.
You get a late notice.
You get a late pass. You gotta get a late pass. Me, see, personally, if I was late, I'm not coming back. They already know. I was late and come back. Yeah, he left. I used to leave school. I was a bounce. Never come back. You know, half a day was every day for me. Half a day literally was every day for me. But anyway.
Hey.
Hey. Sorry about that, y'all. My knucklehead ass dog. But anyway, half a day literally was every day for me. Look at that juice, God. Every day. So sometimes I used to come back. I used to come back because I used to get fed up with teachers calling my house. I gotta hurry up and get home and make sure my parents don't get to the phone. And sometimes they used to get to the phone, but they really never used to say nothing because they stopped caring. If you don't want to learn, that's on you. But I said, alright, damn. So I said, you know what? Let me.
So you used to run to the phone and pick it up?
Yeah. Oh, the beloved source busting.
And then you used to say my mom's not home, right?
Mm-hmm. A lot.
And she used to be home, right in the next room, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then your mom used to say, who was that, Anthony?
Yeah, hard.
Oh, it was nobody. It was the telemarketer.
Mm-hmm. Not even. Wrong number. So I used to do that, but after I got tired of it, I just get caught. My mom and the grandma would be like, you know what? And if you don't want to learn, that's on you. I can't help you, man. And then I said, you know what? I really start catching on like, damn, I'm wild now. I'm being bad. But anyway, we go back to the story. This blood nigga was mad because we had to stay in. Then it was past 12 o'clock. He said, yo, come on, man. You see what you did? He was mad at me. He said, you see what you did, man? You played too damn much. Talking crazy. I'm like, dog, that wasn't me. Even though it was me. You get what I'm saying? I'm beat around the bush. Now I'm marking the beast, bro. What are you talking about? Anyway, then he like, yo, he said, yo, why you always doing crazy shit? So you crazy, man. You weird. You crazy. You bad. They know I was a bad motherfucker. Yo, you bad. Yo, you don't care. You don't care, but I have to go crazy. But then he said he got up, stand up like, that's a punch in your face. I said, what? Punch in my face? You bucket, nigga. What's up? I got up, stand up, Miss Hard's like, hey, no fight. I'm Miss Hard, yo. You gotta let us out the classroom, nigga. You gotta let us out. She's like, yo, no, you wanna be Smithville. It's you, Anthony. It's you. Wanna have this. You don't wanna be a class clown. I said, what? I'm sorry, Miss Hard. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? Then he still argued. I said, Miss Hard, Joe, get him, cause I'm gonna punch him in his face. Nigga that's when we had square desks.
Yeah.
You think you put inside?
Yep.
Yo, he came to my desk, in my face. I'm sitting down like this. My arms down like a kid. I'm sitting, I was young, like 16, 17. I was beastie too. I was a fighter. So now I'm sitting down, no stomach. I had no stomach. I was nice. I was just keefy. And I knew how to fight. At the time I was boxing. Yo, God. Slick came in my face like, yo, you see what you did, bro? I should punch you in it. I said, what? I slide on my chair like this. You know, you push your chair. Yo, I got so heated, like, what? God damn you, nigga. That's now we both like this. Back in the day, we used to be like this, getting each other's faces like, what? What happened? See, mind you, I ain't do that. I ain't never really got nobody's face because I was crazy back in the day. So I pushed the chair, whoosh. I said, what? You gonna punch who? Soon I pushed the chair. We gonna punch who? Hit him. Boom! Once I hit him, nigga fell to the phone booth. You know the square phone booth with the wire? Fell in. Then I lost my mind. Once he fell, I grabbed the phone literally, wrapped around his neck. I was dinging him with the phone. Boom! Boom! Dinging him. His heart's like, She tried to rush to get to it's two phones. There be two phones in there. She bust called. It's a fight in the classroom. It's a fight in the classroom. Oh my God, it's a fight. Man, Anthony, stop. I'm like, no, Miss Hall, you want to keep me in here? We fighting now. We fighting. Everybody, Mind you, I was dating some girl in the back of the classroom with me. I was, you know, back in the day, yo, I had a girl. She used to like me. She used to sit in the back. For some reason, she used to like back then. She used to like me. But I ain't like her because she was weird, like a geek type shit. I ain't like her. It was like, yo, I had like 32 people in my class. Imagine 32 people literally in the class fighting. This bitch used to like me. I don't know why. Why you used to like me? I used to be crazy. And then I come to find out, niggas put me in special ed. Behavior problems. Crazy, bro. I ain't never see that blood nigga again, though, bro. After that, he was mad as shit. He was hungry. And he the type of nigga to eat school lunch. Hello, I don't eat school lunch, nigga. I was smoking a hell of a bar eating bagels and cream cheese all day. I was a drug seller. At that time, I was a heavy drug crack. But like I said, though, I do what I want to do. But now, I regret being bad in school. I regret it because that's where it all starts at.
That's where Supreme gets the reckless behavior from.
Yeah, it wasn't reckless. It was like unbelievable. See, I'm talking about this was junior high school. This was junior high.
Oh, middle school.
Junior high. This wasn't high school. When I got to high school, I came a monster. Yo, no lie, when I got to high school, my nigga, I came a monster. Meaning like, nobody in the school couldn't control me. I had so many fights. Yo, so many fights in high school. Knocking niggas out. They jumped me. 32 niggas. Bro, shoved me in lockers and all that. Niggas really get shoved in lockers. But they say, you see, remember back in the day, you ended up in, before you go to high school, oh, you just really shove people in high school? They really do that.
No, they don't.
That's what they do. Not
I
you.
was for high school, we didn't have lockers.
Oh, shit, you.
We only had lockers in gym. But the lockers weren't big enough to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no!
Told you, I think Hayes and the cat got something going on. I think they fucked.
Sit.
I got a boy cat.
Sit. Sit. Hey, sit.
Why these kids is up? I ain't on naps, man. Put them down.
Sit.
That wasn't no nap, wasn't it?
What time is it?
Oh, you just put them down.
You did, right?
Yeah.
Hey, like you lay down. Hey, lay down. That wasn't a nap. Lay down. Down. Don't get up. That wasn't a nap.
Every time I start
Go to
recording,
bed.
these kids wake up.
Understand?
You just put them down
Go
for
to
me.
bed.
Literally, put them down.
Go to sleep. Don't get up.
You just put them down like 2 something. What time is it? Yeah.
We put them down around 2:30. It's 3:54.
Oh, they've been sleeping half an hour. That's it.
Yeah.
What time usually? This sleep till like 4 sometimes. 4:30.
Yeah, 4:30. That wasn't a nap.
Mm-mm.
Let it out. No getting up. You understand? Close your eyes.
So aggressive. You just be doing shit.
Stop running. Let it out. Good.
Yeah, man. My grandma, she loves shrimp, you know. This is the reason why I did it too for her. God bless her soul, man. I miss her a lot. I'm Captain, y'all. She a Virgo. What you getting now, fatty? Bye, man. Sorry. What you now though?
Who says that?
Huh?
Who says that?
Say what?
Lay down.
You know what's crazy? Ever since me and my wife had an argument, she's not the same. And the reason, I'm gonna put it out there. The reason why she's acting different because she think I'm mad because she was talking to her sister on the low. Her sister literally on the low. What makes me mad is you're hiding it, like you was hiding, like you was talking to a nigga. You talking about? You know how I am. You don't know how I am. I think of that. You talk to your sister, that's what you want to. You choose to do so. I can't get involved with that. Can I get involved with that?
What?
If you choose to talk to your sister, that's your sister, ain't it?
Yeah.
So what you been hiding shit? Like why you always hiding shit? I even think I'm gonna get mad about some things. Huh? Aren't we married?
Yes.
But why hide stuff?
But tell them what you said.
What I say? I told you I don't like to have like company around. So what I say? That's what I said?
No.
What? Yeah.
Lay down.
So, no crack. At the end of the day, that's your sister. You feel what I'm saying? Why hide things like that? The sister told me on the phone she don't want me. She have a whole nigga that she been with for 2 years. Your sister don't want me. You need to trust your sisters, you know? That means you can't trust yourself.
No.
So what is it? Oh Lord, they ain't give you nobody. Damn, they ain't give you nobody. You gave you the hell. You just combobulated, baby. God damn. That boy was born with no legs.
Hey, come here.
That boy was born with no legs.
No, he was born with no meat.
I still eat you.
Hey, come here.
Lay down in there, guys. I'm not no nut. You think it's slick. But I'm slicker. Grow up.
Hey, come here.
This we all came for here, guys.
Come here.
Good, yes, lobster tail. Woo!
Come here. Sit. Sit.
Let me cut this bad boy in.
Yeah.
Thumbnail. Thumbnail.
You gonna do two?
Yes, sir. Yes. Split your ass in the middle. Just meet me in the middle. I'm losing my mind just a little. Little. Yeah, I know. I'm boring, y'all motherfuckers.
Hey. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Lay down.
Excuse me, y'all. This is hard to,
Look, you just messed up that whole thing.
So what you touching me for if you know I messed up the whole thing?
I didn't know you messed up the whole thing till I seen the back of it.
Yeah, whatever. You just trying to mess me up. Just sit down. But yeah, I don't care if you hide your sister. What you hiding her for? I don't want her. Shit, I don't know. You know. Y'all, look at
Tell
that.
everyone that you wanted a divorce. How about that?
Why are you talking like that, Sam?
Tell everyone everybody that you said that you wanted a divorce.
I want a divorce.
Yeah, tell everybody that you said that
They
you
don't
wanted
need to
a
know
divorce.
that. They don't need to know that.
Oh yeah, did everybody needed to know our problem? Did everybody needed to know that?
We're not gonna go there.
But did everybody needed to know what
We
we're
are
doing?
not gonna go there.
But did everybody needed to know our problem?
Hey, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Oh, yes.
Did everybody needed to know our problem?
See, y'all not listening. What problem?
Did everybody need to know what we go through behind camera?
No.
All right then, so why was it said?
Jokes.
Oh, it's a joke now. So how about I tell everybody that you said that you wanted a divorce?
I'm not even gonna wipe. I'm not even gonna wipe. I'm gonna just leave. I'm gonna use my motherfucking tongue.
You can't even say nothing about that, right?
I should have made this SMR. Mm. 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 Order the gym. Now what you know? I'm gonna try to know I'm getting down. First of all, you're not gonna go there. You're not gonna go here. You're not gonna do this on here.
Oh, but you wanted to tell everybody what we was going through behind camera, right?
No, I'm not.
You just did.
I just said
Right. Is that anybody else's business?
it doesn't matter. Only thing I said, me and you have an argument, but you changed because you're not talking to me anymore. You're not showing me no type of love. Cause you mad at the fact that you got caught and your sister snitched on you. She mad because her sister snitched on
No,
her.
see, I wasn't mad about that. I'm upset because you said that you wanted. He said he wants a divorce. That's what he said.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
When?
You said yesterday. You said that you want to get a divorce and that you don't want to be with me anymore.
Excuse me. You don't want to be with me no more.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I said I did want to be with you.
You did.
No, I said I do.
Thank you. You did.
No, I said I do want to be with you.
You did.
No, I said I
Yeah,
do.
y'all. You did.
No, I said I do want to be with you. You said
No,
that,
you don't. I know you don't.
You said that you want to get a divorce.
But it's alright.
So you guys.
It's alright.
He said.
It's alright.
He said that he wants to get a divorce. So.
I don't want. Why get a divorce? Where you going? Where I'm going? How long we been together, Sam? Come on, if you're not gonna talk like this on camera, we are not gonna do that. Only thing I said, you was upset because you got caught with your sister.
No, that's not why.
You was trying to hide the
No,
fact that
that's
you
not.
was talking to your sister.
No.
And that you got caught. Simple. Come on. But but to be the bigger man, shout out Jamie. Love you, girl. You always be family. I know you're gonna watch this video, but come on. I don't have time for this. I don't.
So, but you brought it up again. You
So why lie? I don't know. Why it take so long to answer? Why lie?
You see?
I'm not gonna sit here and argue with him. Because it's pointless. Look how big you are. You was born with legs in the tail. First of all, this one crawfish was born with legs.
That's why he gonna shit in your mouth.
I guess I was wrong. I guess I'm high. Since when the crawfish was born with legs? It's born with a tail and fingers. I mean, fingers, tail and
That's why he gonna shit in your mouth.
whatever, huh? You have to speak up, darling.
Man who wants a divorce. Came out your mouth. Didn't come out of my mind.
Yeah. You don't want to be with me.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
First of all, we're not going to talk about this on here. What is wrong with you? We just need to get it together, girl. That's all you and I need to do. Let's get it together. Once we get it together, we'll be all right. You thought I cut niggas' bodies off. I cut the body. Yep, I cut your ass right out. I'm going to get that meat out of here. You thought about me. Ah!
Hey,
God damn! Ah! Cut myself.
didn't want you to eat them.
Ah! Yo, I am so heated. Y'all. This nigga just bust his whole nut on me.
Hey, hey,
I'm absolutely mad. I
hey.
wash my face. Ow! What in the world is going on?
Hey! Get down!
I'm sorry about that, y'all, but
Down! Lay down!
it's hard to eat these bad boys. Damn, nigga bust on my face. Damn near stab.
9. 9.
I'm mad at shit. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm mad. His is up. I got an uncle flying over here. Whack a little harder than that. Whatever you're doing there, keep whacking it. What is the problem? What is the problem? They want to hear it.
You just called me a fat ass on camera.
Huh? I did not say anything like that.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
You said what you're about to eat, fat ass.
Fatty. Not fat ass. Can
Same
I
thing.
have something to drink, please?
What do you want? Arizona water or iced tea?
I don't want iced tea because last time I found the roach in it. I found the roach in my iced tea last time, y'all.
No, you didn't.
Ew. Sam gave me, and I had a cup before that. Sam laughed at me drinking roaches. Ah. You gotta be careful, y'all, because you really hurt yourself on these shits, right, Sam?
Yep. Shell is very pointy.
Yes, sir. But that's their habitat, meaning like, that's how they survive.
That's their, yeah.
So when you bite them, it's like
But their shell is beautiful.
you bleed, yeah, beautiful. It's like when you bite them, you bleed, you know? I got a little juice in my eye. It should burst, you know?
Yeah. Put some eye drops in there.
I like to tell the truth, y'all. What? What was that noise? That was a war?
What?
That noise. Oh, that was Hayes?
What noise?
You hear?
Yeah, I did. It sounded like somebody was moving furniture.
Yeah. Look at that good meat, y'all. Woo! Took a lot out of me. Woo! 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 Don't judge me. Why you looking like that?
That's a lot.
You see how she treating you? Ever since she started talking to her sister, she haven't been on her phone lately. I mean, all that time you been talking to your sister. You right?
Oh, I've been on my phone.
You used to stay on your phone. I just be like, who you texting? Nobody. I used to lie. Huh?
No, because
Months you used to be talking to her. Right? Months on the low. Lord knows what else. Yeah. What is that? What the fuck is that?
that's your uncle. Hey.
I gotta get you some. This is bedtime for me, I think. Lay down in there. Nah. I mean, everybody does this shit because this is a lot of money. Hurt my damn finger. Drop the comments, man. Do you be getting stabbed by the lobster tail?
No.
No? You don't? I do. And I know how to eat them.
I
Man,
don't know how to crack.
I was just rushing.
Lay down.
Nobody home, baby.
What? What? What'd you just say?
Nothing.
You see, that's how you know you want a divorce. Talking to your phone. Nobody home, babe.
I was talking to you.
But you was talking to your phone.
Can you give me something to drink? I'm
As soon
dying.
as your phone went off, you said no one home, babe.
Dying of thirst. Arizona, please. Something cold.
Or you want fruit punch?
Fruit punch.
Lay down.
See this? Now when I'm drinking a bottle of Hawaiian Punch, let's get it. busting, y'all. Gang, gang. Just run this video up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Give this video some thumbs up. You're on the road to 200K. You already know it's your boy. The food is here. I still could keep eating, but there ain't no more. I know I should have bought some, and I should have bought more of everything, but I just can't. But I'm just not gonna do it. But also, I want to know, what is this? Can somebody please tell me what the hell is that? Just looking like it came from all the yolk and stuff for the seasoning. I want to know what the hell that is, because I'm damn sure not eating this shit. Keep your ass right there and keep floating. You feel me? Seafood is have all types of diseases and shit and germs. That's why you have to clean this motherfucker. You understand what I'm saying? But yo, I ain't gonna hold y'all no more. I gotta go. You know, I talk my shit. I love y'all, gang gang. Hopefully y'all see me tonight, because on top of that, she might deleted my video, my vlog I did earlier. I don't know. Yeah, give me some kind. Who drank Hawaiian Punch like that from the side? I do. Sit down, order that. But yo, can be my assistants, please? What is wrong with you? You're not gonna do this on camera. I'm out, boy. It's your boy. Wait, y'all.